If you are looking for an awesome slow cooker that you can take on the go with you, that's super easy to use and clean, you are going to absolutely love this Presto Nomad. The brand sent me this for a review. Just really like this a lot. So I really like that it has this handle so you can take that easy to traveling. You have the settings right here. You got warm, low, and high. This is 8 quarts, which is nice. Coolest feature that I like particularly is this. This is a whiteboard, so you get a marker right here. So if you're having a tailgate or whatever, bring it to a picnic, you would be like pulled pork or whatever you have there. This handle is really nice as well. So you see there, it locks in like that. So then all you have to do is pull that down. You have a spoon holder back here, and then this is the inside here. This is a quartz. This does get removed, so that can be removed. Super easy to wash. You have the spoon tray right here, and then you have the plug back there. The plug is retractable and just kind of goes back into here, which is really nice. If you are looking for a great slow cooker that's easy to use, easy to clean, can look in top of the glass and see what's going on, you are going to absolutely love this. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful.